when someone asks to borrow your trailer and they swear up and down they know how to operate a trailer brake controller properly. But do you really? See here, what we have here, folks, is what we like to call a flat spot on a tire. See, most of the tires around here, then we have this nice flat spot about 6 inches or so. And that only happens when you forget to adjust your brake controller and lock your brakes up. Not only did you lock my brakes up, you drug the trailer long enough to give me a nice flat spot. Now that's great if you plan on permanently parking your trailer and don't want it to roll anywhere, but it doesn't really come in very handy if you plan on using it very often. So, you know what they say. The only thing better than owning a trailer is having a friend that owns one. And now we can see why. So remember, folks, if you don't actually know how to operate a brake controller, you should probably find out before you ruin a couple tires on somebody else's trailer. So let's take a look here inside the truck. And this little doohickey thing right here, that's called a brake controller. That's to adjust how much power goes to the brakes on your trailer. That needs to be adjusted depending on what you have in the trailer at any given time. And since my trailer was a dump trailer that was empty and then full, the weight's going to go up and down a lot, and therefore you need to make some adjustments. See, there's arrows on this one, or there might be dials, but you need to go up and down. And then it also comes in very helpful to actually, use those things on the side of your truck called mirrors, so you can take a look to make sure that those tires aren't skidding on you when you're hitting the brakes. So, until next time, remember, friends don't let friends borrow each other's trailers. Take care. Have a good one.